South Africa enjoyed numerous milestones in 2025, embracing the macroeconomic, socio-political, and even the sporting world. And it signaled that when systems work, South Africans can execute successfully. 2026 is probably going to be a year that represents the best potential with regard to the macroeconomic backdrop in a decade. South Africa's economic growth is likely to garner momentum, shifting from the stabilization of the last few years. That momentum is going to be founded on a clutch of drivers. These include, for instance, rising real incomes, falling interest rates, increasing appetite for credit-oriented spending, and elevated stock markets. The household sector accounts for about 2/3 of South Africa's economy, and therefore, when it is buoyant, it has the capacity to crowd in fixed investment, which is likely to accelerate this year after having contracted in both of the last 2 years. Ultimately, though, the rule of law is what is going to determine prosperity. The rule of law is everything. It is the foundation stone of any hope for prosperity. It engenders confidence, which in turn stirs investment, and of course, with it, the virtuous cycle of jobs, spending, and further investment. Perhaps 2026 can be that year that engenders this cycle. For the moment, at least for the next 12 months, GDP growth is likely to accelerate, underpinned by increasingly more lively household spending and fixed investment. The rand too, even though when it is strong, it tends to dent exports, will remain a net positive. Overall, it will temper inflation and create easier financial conditions. We also think that the rand will remain fairly steady at around current levels, which we consider to be fair value. Finally then, South Africa's biggest challenge is credibility. To lock in the credibility that was achieved in 2025 so as to secure continued growth momentum.